No.
While adding sodium hydroxide to the acid flask, remember to swirl vigorously.
Last few drops, very crucial. All right. Now I think we need one more drop, maybe, or maybe two more drops. I don't know. Need another drop. Half. Only half a drop now. Okay. Now, this very faint pink is where the end point is. Now, all of us need to take a reading, all right? Now, if it's a good one, about 1 or 2 minutes later, you will see the color. It's behind, and then it pass 5, and then pass 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so the meniscus, it's okay. So it's right here. All right. past 18, before 19. Remember I said before, read as is. It is upside down graduate cylinder. So our first whole number, 2 digits of a whole number, should it be 18 or should it be 19? Remember, past 18, but before 19. So it is 8. All right, very good. So it's 18 point. And then this is 18.1, 18.2, 18.3, 4, 5. There's 2 digits after decimal point. The last digit is always estimation, all right? So you have to estimate it. And I will say 5, 8, all right? And then that will be it, okay? Yeah. One drop, too much. And then the color shows up. Just one drop. We'll see. One drop, all right? See the difference? This is a much more pinkish. All right, and then if you take a reading, it's only changes right here, all right? It's not really going to give you significant calculation error. However, if you have a 2 drop, too many. All right, I'm going to show you this. I don't think any of us will miss this. From colorless to this color.
We will repeat all these steps a second time for another 25 ml HCl sample. Pour the solution from the Erlenmeyer flask down the drain and rinse it with deionized water. Refill your burette with sodium hydroxide solution and then record the initial burette volume in the trial 2 table on page 76.
1, 2, and 3. If you are here first, use the deionized water fountain. However, if you are there a little bit late, you don't have to wait. Or your deionized water bottle and can be used. All right, can be used. You don't have to dry inside, and then simply add. Because we're going to use exactly the same HCl before, exactly the same instrument we used before, so we don't have to this time do the rinsing anymore, okay? All right, so that's 1. Second time, we may have to do 4th time. This is the 3rd time, it's not good enough, right? So we have to do last time, right? So we do exactly the same thing like what we did before. What happened to me? I think, excuse me. Okay, so now move slowly but surely, and then lower to the marker. Beautiful. Then release it. All right. Make sure do not force the last 1 drop, 2 drops into the Erlenmeyer flask. All right. So now we will retire our acid. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, because it's the same acid and the same base, you are the same operator, and then you know where this occurred, all right? It's a 18.58. So what you can do is very quickly release somewhere around the 16 and then to 17, all right? So you can shorten your titration time. However, for your real titration, you need to be very careful when it's somewhere around, oops. Okay. So now you're going to start those, right? And very gingerly, okay, drop by drop. Too much. Too much. Half a drop should be okay. But now you can see.